Day 39, 90 days challenge, daily system. Hello everyone, happy day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope you guys are well. Hi, my name is Felisa, coming live from Darwin, Australia. Welcome to my day 39 of 90 days challenge. Today I want to talk about something simple but powerful. Having a daily system. What is daily system? A daily system is the small action you do every day. Even when you don't feel motivated, it's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Your system is what you repeat every day. Why daily system matters? Goals are great, dreams are important, but a daily system is what turns goals into your reality. Because what you do once in a while doesn't change your life. What do you do daily does? Small daily actions create big result over time. Personal share. For me, my daily system is simple. I learn something new. I post or share value. I connect with people. I work on my mindset. Some days I feel excited. Some days I feel tired, but I still showing up. That's growth. If you feel overwhelmed, keep it simple. Small actions you can do every day. Not perfect, not complicated, simple and consistent. Your future self, thank you for supporting my journey. Let's keep growing together. Thank you for watching me and thank you for watching my replay. And God bless us and I will see you again on my next live. Thank you everyone.